Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl, AB World Entertainment. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on the time you guys are watching me from. Happy Sunday to you all, my beautiful people. Today, we want to talk about our sister, our mother, a friend, grandmother, where her name now, Julie Omosede Idehe. All of people will not know this sister when I want to talk about. So now one sister wey e dey Italian hospital, that's na Italy she dey. So she come dey sick of headache. Then the sister take enter hospital make she go for checkup. But unfortunate as she reach hospital na another thing na she come meet for there. So na her story we wan talk about. This woman wey una dey see so, this sister Julie Osamide Omosede, so na mother. Im get only one pikin for Africa. So the woman na Torino she first dey stay. So as she dey sick, she come say okay make she go inside hospital go do checkup. Say she dey get headache. But unfortunate as she enter for the past, let's say 12 to 13 years now. And so this woman na hospital na she pass take return to her maker for after 13 years for hospital. And wetin happen to this our sister, and in a very sad news, pikin wey comot for house make e come better papa and mama, and e pikin for Africa and e brothers and sisters, but unfortunate e no return back again. So this small one dey see no be small pikin, na advanced person. Maybe she should be, let's say, around that kind 50 if she go don reach that age, or she dey go close to 50. Okay, how the story take happen according to the video wey she do that year. She talk say as she reach hospital, she come tell them say she get headache. The next thing they come admit and say the headache strong, oh, this and this, that and that. Before you know, 1 week pass, 1 month pass, 2 months pass. Now so this woman take the hospital so tey until they come finally do am wetin dem no suppose to do am. Why I wan talk this story be say I wan use this opportunity to take beg people say if una dey go any asikito, which dem dey call hospital for Europe here, especially for Italy side, because a lot of Africa, especially Nigeria, wey e don kpeme turn to RIP for all those hospital, according to people wey dey observe am, wey dem dey talk am say see wetin dem dey do say e no good. So abeg make una alert person, make person follow una go, make una dey go one kind big checkup. No just go alone, abeg, because sometimes if all these people see say everything about you dey okay, they fit disgwangwan you understand, collect wetin dem wan collect, you no go know. Okay, this our sister, this our late sister story wey we wan talk about, so e don first dey social media for the past many years. So many people no believe the story, why some come still believe. So as the woman come talk say see wetin dey do am, dem leave am for hospital. No be the hospital wey dem fit admit am put na she come dey, na another hospital na she dey come put this our sister. So the next thing na wetin come happen, dem come dey transfer am up and down, up and down, up and down, to the extent say my people, wetin dey do this woman. The woman come wake up one day, e come feel say her back dey pain am. Wetin dey happen for her back, and e come still get another big hole for bum bum. She no come dey understand say wetin dey happen. Even though she wan peace, she no go fit peace. Na something she take dey peace. She no know say they don already disgwangwan oil body. My people, before I go continue the story, make I first just greet my fans and my subscriber first. Abeg, if today na be the first time wey you dey come across this video, or you first dey watch, you never subscribe, abeg make you try make you subscribe by hitting the notification bell, so that anytime wey I take upload any new video, you will be the first person to be notified that I just uploaded a new video. As you do so, na so Papa will dey heaven will take bless you. To my returning subscriber, na so God Almighty will take dey bless all of una. I say thank you for being a pillar and a support to this great family. I really appreciate all you people are doing for me. To my new subscriber, you are welcome. To to this wonderful platform. God bless you all. Okay, oh my country people. Now so we see the matter where we dey talk dey go so. So wetin come happen, my country people? Now one of the people wey go the interview at that time, na be this one. That is people wey wan really help am. They wan know her story about wetin happen to her for inside that hospital. So this woman now come be that is the man wey stand with her, come be the person wey dey assist am, wey come dey ask her wetin happen. So she come just understand just how to fight the matter so that government go fit pay am all the damages and everything wey dem do to this woman. So as this woman come, as she come that is people come dey ask am say how e take happen, how e take happen. Na this our sister come open mouth come tell them say one day she hear say back dey draw am, she no know wetin dey draw am for her back. So now she come kukuma just say make she look wetin dey happen. That is, they come ask person say wetin dey, come see plaster for back of for e back. As he see plaster for e back, now he come dey wonder say how plaster take dey e back. That is big plaster, they just plaster and put for there. Wetin dey happen to her? But this one dey draw am. Now there, now person come greet person. He come ask the cleaner wey dey there say wetin happen? The back dey draw am. He no know wetin dey happen to her. So now that one come tell am say see wetin dey o, na big plaster na him dey o. But the kind medicine wey they dey give the woman no be the one wey she say she take the headache wey she dey sick. Now they come dey give her. Na another medicine now they come dey give her. And the unit wey they still carry am go, the ward I mean, that is for the hospital. Na ward of another person wey no get kidney. Na there they come carry this woman go. So now wetin happen be that one. So as she come ask people now, they come tell am say see the kind medicine wey you dey drink o. Now this woman come ask the doctor, they no wan tell her anything. You understand? So she go ask, they no go tell her. They go say make she recovery, make she dey okay first. They go explain to her all those type of things, this and this, that and that. And the person wey still escort am go hospital that day when she get that headache, that one come still talk for the matter say na only headache na his sister get. But he come surprise now say the thing come, she come spend 1 month for hospital, 2 months, 3 months. She never still reach house. They never still discharge her. So they no come know wetin dey happen again. Now so matter take waka, my people. Now this woman come beg person say abeg make e help am read this letter wey they put for here, be this medicine. Wetin the medicine be for? Now I come tell am say she get kidney problem. So na that one na be that is she get kidney infection. So now they kukuma just use am take help her, make she no just turn to RIP. Now make the quick help her remove the one of her kidney. Now so matter take stop o. Now the sister shout say he no understand. He no tell them say he get kidney problem. She said she not tell anybody say she dey sick for kidney. So how come these people can't they cure her for kidney infection? You understand? Now wetin happen to this our dear sister, our beloved sister, where he come from RIP. So now wetin happen to her? Now be that, my country people. Now so this woman take spend that 13 years or 12 years for hospital. 2 years ago she say na 10 years. Now she dey for hospital. And another thing, she not confident dey poo again for her backside. They come still give her another hole for there again for the back side of her bum bum. You understand, my lovely people? Now wetin happen to our dear sister where he passed on to glory be this one. Now so we see the matter for ground o, my country people. So now I say make I let everybody know. And this woman who now they see for here now, she happens to be the very sister to one Nigerian musician where they call Osamide Idehen. na him elder sister na be this one. Her name na Julie Osamede Omobude, because she first marry get one son for Nigeria. So it dey very very painful say this our sister she no dey again after all the battles and everything. And some people will not still remember this woman will come outside when she and this our celebrity, let me call her celebrity, this Monica Lobo, when they get misunderstanding 2 years ago, you understand? Now this same woman be this when Monica gonna talk some kind things about her, say see that 12 them get misunderstanding right from Nigeria, say no. Now the woman now be this one. You understand, my people? So many people will know too they familiar with this face. Now that woman now be this. When she can't come outside, say she to know Monica when they come Europe that time. So Monica can't say this woman can't they bully and say she dey follow one late Osage that time, and late Osage na not be boyfriend that time. Say na he cause a friend, but this woman can't dey. Now this woman can't cause katakata for ground, so the woman can't say not be him. So they can't still meet for their trolley place. Now that woman, so I just want me I refresh my memory go the person when I talk a video so now she be this one. So we finally lost her, you understand? So she turned RIP few weeks ago. So it did very very painful. Say she know before she died, she not come up for the hospital. Now the hospital now she did for there. So I beg, if you know say you dey sick any kind of sickness, before you go any hospital, you understand, please let your friends know. Sometimes they will tell you say it good to your keep secret, not be all secret good though. You understand? So forget say they go narrate you, this one will tell the other. Forget story, my people. Sometimes this narration dey save person, you understand? See how this social media e good for one side, not good for one side. I say they help people. If not, how they want to know some people where they suffer for inside that Nigeria. So if this social media no dey, you understand? So we will look the advantage and still look the disadvantage. Now so it be. So not to say your friend will go narrate you or your relative will go narrate you. Nobody will not get side talk, my people. Once you find yourself for this kind of situation, say you dey sick, you don't know how your body they do you, call ambulance. If you call ambulance, you find person who will follow you, or you want your go on your find person who will follow you go. Don't be say your go, you know, let people know, not tell this one, not tell this one, not tell this one. My people, sometimes if you too do secret, it they keep person, they turn person to RIP. You understand? So it's good you still talk, come out. If to say she not carry person, follow body go to hospital now. Maybe now 1 year she for spend for that hospital, therefore don't know how they want to do the matter ever since then. You understand? Because the something can't hook for their neck, say they don't know how they want to do the woman. This woman can't it can't suit them. You understand? So and one certain time they can't even they plan how to bring her pikin come so that they will fit if the payment where they want pay, they will pay this woman, because they can't transfer them from one hospital to the other. You understand? Some people thought say she na an enemy, no, they okay for brain again. But some say na true. What she dey talk, because na headache now she take go the hospital. At the end now, they can't open her back, collect one of her. I know what they talk just now. That's what we have to make sure just now. And for inside her bum now, they can't open now. So now pipe now she take the poo. She not feel the poo again. So they very very painful. Say this woman still finally die after 13 years for hospital. So my people, and so I see the matter. May her soul rest in peace, and may God give the family the strength to bear the loss. You understand? Because it's not easy. Sister will go Europe to go bring money, come back. Now another something for how many years? You understand? So now so we see the matter, my country people. Now I say make I let you know say Sister Julie Osamede Omobude don't finally turn RIP after 13 years for hospital. So guys, please share this video, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment for me in the comment section. So when I done, I will get back to you guys. So how they want to do the burial ceremony, I will still let you know the update and everything. So thanks everyone. God bless you. Bye. Choose.